Snow has been coming down across northeast Wisconsin for hours, and it's not stopping anytime soon. I'm Perry Apostolakos in Ashwaubenon, where spring is supposed to officially begin Thursday, but it's looking like a winter wonderland. This is how it was looking in Shawano Wednesday evening, right around rush hour. Flashes of lightning and rumbles of thunder breaking through the hazy skies as people dusted off their cars to head home from work. And the highways, not much better. Wednesday was a great day to follow mom's advice and go straight home, only hitting the road if absolutely necessary. On State Highway 29 around 5 p.m., our crew saw 4 cars stranded in ditches, and even plowed roadways were icy. In cities like Green Bay, plows don't hit residential streets until the snow stops falling, so stay patient and slow down when you happen upon those service vehicles. It just goes to show Wisconsin weather is always keeping us on our toes. In Ashwaubenon, Perry Apostolakos, NBC 26.